Hello there and welcome back to yet another series of digital assessment tools. In case you have missed our earlier episode on Google Form quiz, we request you to watch that and come back for a better understanding of this part. In the earlier session, we learned how to convert a Google survey form into a graded quiz. In this episode, we will learn how to add different types of questions, insert text-based questions, images and videos, and add questions related to them. We will also see how to prepare the answer key and allot grade points for each question. After we have made the necessary settings, done the necessary settings and saved it, we will go to make the quiz. So we name this quiz as the demo quiz and the title appears here. We'll customize the theme of the quiz to make it a little more interesting. So we'll choose a header image for this. The header image can be chosen from the themes which are already available. So there are many themes available for you, and you can also upload pictures from your computer or the laptop, whichever you're using. So we'll use one of the themes which is already given here. So let me choose this template and I will insert it. So once I insert this, the header gets inserted and it appears here. So we are talking about a demo quiz and we have uploaded a beautiful image here. We can also change the theme color. The theme color automatically here has changed because of the header. Okay, then we can also change the font. So we have the basic font. So if you want to make it more interesting for your students, you can also do the playful font, which makes it look a little different, and children perhaps enjoy looking at this kind of a font. So we have already put the demo quiz. Here we will, so that is all with the settings of the themes which we have seen. So we'll close this here. Okay, and once we close this, we get this page where we have a slightly beautiful different font from which we regularly use. This makes the quiz little interesting for the students. We have a header image. So now we can write the description of the quiz here. Since the form collects email addresses, it is compulsory that the children add their email addresses here before they take the quiz. The next thing which we will do is ask the name of the student. So email addresses, the child will write the email ID here. Also the child has to write the name. So when I type name here, automatically you will get a short answer question. So and this is a required question. Since we do not have to add any value points to it, we'll keep this 0. So this writing the name will not contain any points, but this is a required question. So next question, when you have to add, you can click plus here and add the next question. So supposing you have to next question, you want to add something, a multiple choice question. So you will enter your question here. You'll have option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4 and so on, and you can also write your own options and change this. So in the answer key, when I click the answer key, I can get to know see the different options here. So I'll click on the correct option and also grade the points here. How many marks can be received for the correct answer, and I will click on the done so that the question gets added here. So next kind of question we can do is like if you want to have a match the following kind of a thing, just type match the following and by default it will give you a multiple choice grid. So in this multiple choice grid, you can write all your rows here and all your columns here, and you can make a match the following kind of a quiz here. Make this also required, and you can write the answer key here. Row 1, what is the answer? If the answer is correct, how many points the child gets? So 1 point, if I write, it will be 1 point, and this is done. So like this, we can add all kinds of short answer questions, match the following, and also the multiple choice question. Next question, if I have to add some text here, so I'll be clicking on this. If the next question, if I suppose I have to add some text. So suppose I give a comprehension type of a question. So I write the title here, read the following paragraph and answer the questions given below. So like this I'll write here, I'll write the paragraph here, so the description is there, you have given instructions, and after that I start giving questions based on this paragraph. So here what happens, the child can read the question, read the paragraph, understand it and go on solving the questions. Again, these can be short answer questions, this can be multiple choice questions, this can be essay type questions also if you want, but all depends upon how well you create the quiz. So, and make this also a required question. So next what happens is we can also insert images here. So for supposing next question I want to insert an image and give a question to the child. So I click on inserting an image. So when I click on insert image, I can upload the image from my computer choosing from the images which are already there. I can also turn on my camera, take a picture and put it here. I can also add a picture using the URL, also add the photos which are and from the Google Drive, and also we can search the images and add. So when I suppose I click on this searching the images and I type the images here. Suppose I type something called as parts of the plant. Parts of a So when I type parts of a plant for kids or a diagram, I can see this diagram which is here. So what I will do is I'll select the best diagram and I will insert it here. Now the child can see this figure and structure of the grass plant. So this is the blade, this is the crown, rhizomes, root and shoot system, stolon and tiller, everything is given. So depending upon this picture, you can start framing questions and the child can look at this picture and start answering these questions. So again, if you want to add a question here, just click plus and then you will get the different types of questions which we can add. Next kind of a question which you can add is the video questions. So you can insert a video either directly, if you know the video's URL, you can put it here, or you can search the same thing. Now suppose I want to write about plant types of soil, types of soils which are found. So I'll just type it here and click on the search. So I'll get a long list of the videos available saying the types of soils. Now we this is a small quiz, or this is a limited time quiz, so we need to even see the timing. So how we should see that the quiz, that the video is less than 5 minutes, so that the child can see it, answer it at the same time. So we have 4-minute videos, we have 3-minute videos. So any one of these small videos which is maybe less than 4 to 5 minutes can be added here. So I select this 4-minute video here and insert it. When I click on select, it will get inserted. So the video goes on and you can frame questions on the basis of this video and start adding it below the video. So this is how you can you'll have a very nice variety of questions when you create a Google quiz. Happy learning and have an enriching learning experience. This is Annapurna Madhuri signing off for now until we meet in the next episode. Thank you.